Before I get into printing the Mandalorian helmet, let me explain what I had done, what modifications I had done to this Ender 5 Plus. So the first thing I did was the extruder. I switched that out to a metal component, aluminum piece. For the Z-axis, I changed the bushings to a spring mechanism. This way it reduces the toggle. It was done on both Z-axis. Another thing I had done was the Capricorn tubing, and the extruder, I changed it out from a 0.04 millimeter to a 0.6. Another thing I had done too was because when this was received to my home, the top part was actually bent quite a bit. It was not squared anymore, and two of those plastic pieces in the corner had cracked. And this mounting plate right here for the bushings or the rollers were bent quite a bit, so I had to remove them, use a hammer, get it flat, and actually one of them was way too bent that I had to actually like reach out to the company to receive new ones. So that's pretty much everything I had done to this printer before I started printing the Mandalorian helmet. I just want to show what settings I had used in the creality slicer. So the layer height I had used was 0.1. The shell thickness is 1.2. This all remained the same. And the filament diameter was 1.75 and the nozzle was 0.6. I did use touch build plate for build supports, and I did use a brim on this. You can see here some more details about the supports I had used. Um, don't I wouldn't recommend this. I would use different support structures. This is like the worst case. Don't ever use this type of method. This finally finished. Let's see if I can break this off one-handed. Probably can't do it one-handed. Next thing I have to print is the ears. Oh man, move this over. Yeah, I gotta use two hands. There we go, it finally came off. This is all the build support that was left over from the build, from the visor to the center of the helmet. Never again. Never again. I'm gonna print it and have it take 168 hours. Alright guys, thanks for watching.